44th floor. Going up. Elevator E. Going up.
Show the floor. RA, roof amenity, it's going to the top now. This is at the Beaudry in Los Angeles, my first Mitsubishi DOAS. These things fly.
Amenity. Going down.
Raw. Oh my god. Look at this. This is insane. You know, real quick, we're gonna get a view out. See if we can get a view. Service car. What's that look like? Same fixtures. Probably locked off, so I'm not gonna bother with it. Very quickly, it's all, almost looks like that's the top area. Let's go back down here. Looks like once we get up past the lobby, we don't need a card. So let's see here. You're right. All right. L3. All right, lobby. Elevator D. P8. Yeah, you need to swipe for all that other stuff. So we're gonna get elevator D. It spells rad on the door frame. 57 floors up. Pretty epic. Oh my gosh. And of course, it's gonna take ages. Just as I say that, it comes.
Going down.
And it's got the bumper sensors, the bensors. Oh boy, long way down. Going to 1. These are nice. Oh my God. Smooth as hell, but they go. Capacity's 2,500, 3,500, 3,500.
Elevator D.
See if we got some.
Going up.
Give it a shot on that way. There's the call station. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure that will be it.